Today is I'll be making slime and only with a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you my previous slimes. This is my blue raspberry slime, and this is my, I don't know yet. I wanted to name it Sunny Day, but I asked you guys in the comments to think of a name, and I did a satisfying video of this, but I haven't done blue raspberry, so I'll show you these at the end of the video. So all you need is glue. I don't have much glue in here. Food coloring is optional. I don't need food coloring because I already have color in this. Okay, so then you need contact solution. It's not optional. And some baking soda. So put in your glue. Oh yeah, and you need a bowl and something to mix with. This setting doesn't look familiar. I'm at my cousin's house because my dad has to work today. So pour your glue in until your bowl. I'm gonna tap that. Oops, I got some rice in there. It's okay. It's okay. It's good. So guys, I'm gonna keep doing this. I think that's enough. We'll add more later. We're probably gonna have to cut the bottle up, so I'm gonna do that. I didn't cut the bottle up because I didn't have someone to do it for me right now. And then I just have to, get that in there. So I got all this stuff in here, and let's get to the other step. Okay, so guys, that's just something else. So guys, we are going to put some baking soda in a spoon. Put the baking soda in. So I'm going to videotape this in a different way. Guys, when you get the slime in, you have to mix it. So let's mix it in the baking soda. Guys, so don't worry about the noise. It's just background noise that my sister's making. Okay, guys. Let's mix that in. So, guys, this is getting a little slimy. But guys, wait, we haven't done it yet. There's a piece of rice in there, but I'll get it out. Okay, so guys, this is really getting a little while. I'll be right back when I'm done with this. So guys, it's mixed in now. Now we have to add the contact solution. Here it is. Okay, let's add it in. I can't stop. It looks like something's guarding it. Okay. Mix it in. See, the contact solution isn't optional. So you see why? It wouldn't have been slime without the contact solution. So we got that. Now take it out. and knead it with your hands. You can tell it's slime. So guys, look at that, it's slime. So knead it with your hands. Messy bowl. So guys, the contact solution made it less stickier and it made it slime. The baking soda basically helped a lot. It made it slime. And the glue made it slime, definitely. So guys, if you want to be part of the subscribe crew, you guys can subscribe to be part of the crew. So guys, stay tuned for more slime videos. And don't add. It depends how much glue you have. So it's the exact measurements are a teaspoon. If you add a gallon bottle, it will be 1 teaspoon of this. And while you're kneading it, you can add more. A tablespoon of this. You can add more if you want. And your gallon of glue. So guys, subscribe to be part of the crew. Bye-bye. Slime.